안녕하세요. Hey everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. You're probably wondering why I greeted you in Korean. Well, you see, I have been following K-beauty since 2016-17 and I've learned so much and I really love K-cosmetics. So I thought of showing you guys my daily makeup routine, which includes a lot of, K-beauty techniques and products. So yes, if you're excited, then let's get started with the video. So I'm starting with a brightening plus blurring primer. Korean makeup is all about, smooth and even toned skin, and that's what even I look for, a good base. I'm also using a green primer to correct any redness and to get that flawless base. I'm using this Chanel foundation and this flat brush to get a very skin-like finish. Korean makeup artists love this technique, and it gives a very smooth and very skin-like finish. I'm blending any patches of foundation with this wedge sponge. I'm using concealer only on certain spots to brighten my under eyes and then blending it all out. These sponges are really popular among Korean artists. I'm using Innisfree No Sebum powder. It's a very good powder and it does not allow your makeup to crease, and it's very lightweight too. I'm using Etude House brow pencil. I really love this. It gives you a very natural finish. So it comes with a spoolie and the brow product. So I'm just filling in my brows, following the natural shape. And then I'm going to use this Etude House Dr. Fixer mascara. This is actually for your lashes, but I use it for my brows to keep them in place. I really love this one. Then I'm using this blush shade for my eyes. Korean makeup is all about being fresh, and that's my daily motto too. I'm going to draw a little wing eyeliner using this Peripera eyeliner. This is a very long lasting eyeliner, and Peripera is actually a very popular makeup brand of Korea. So I really love this eyeliner. You guys should check this out. I'm curling my lashes now using this. If you have hooded eyes or Asian eyes, like this kind of eyelash curler is better. Applying some mascara. And for my aegyosal, I'm going to use a pink shimmery shade that's close to my skin tone and looks pretty. And I'm using a thinner mascara wand for my lower lashes to finish my eye makeup. And now I'm going to contour my nose. Korean makeup again is not about heavy contouring, and even I don't prefer that. So just adding some color to the face and some definition back to the face. Then for my base lip product, I'm going to use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Then I'm using one of my favorite products right now. This is from Peripera, to add some pink to my lips. And then I'm going to just blend it with my fingers and use the Etude House Powder Rouge tint to add a little more color, little more pink. Yeah, and also can't forget the cheeks. This is my favorite thing to do. Yeah, love this. Gives a very natural look. And I'm going to finish it off with my MAC Fix Plus. MAC is a very popular brand among Korean makeup artists and I love it. So that's it. This is the look. So that's it for this video. I hope you found my product suggestions as well as the tips and techniques that I shared helpful. This is practically what I wear every time I wear makeup, and yes, these are my absolute favorite products. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next one. Till then, take care. I love you all. Kamsahamnida. Saranyeyo. Bye bye.